Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Srinagar? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Srinagar. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Rise Institute in Srinagar. Rise Institute is regarded as one of the best NEET coaching institutes in Srinagar. The main motive of this institute is to provide the best education to the students who are present here for their studies. The institute offers courses like JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So, the courses offered by this institute includes Foundation course, Intensive course, 1-year course, Target NEET course, Repeater course, and other courses as well. The address of Rise Institute is 51 Tulsi Bagh near Help Foundation Office, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir 190008. Their contact number is 019423133042 and the website includes www.riseinstitute.com. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Career Point Institute. This institute was founded in the year 1993. Career Point is considered as one of the best NEET coaching institutes in Srinagar. Daily, free live classes are held to the students for visualizing the things what they learn. E-classroom learning is here. Test series are held to the students by the faculty members. Okay, the courses offered includes NEET Compact course for the class 12 students. Then they have NEET Nurture, Enthuse and Target courses. Then they also provide NEET Lakshya batch for both class 11 and 12 students, classroom courses, and finally Compact course of NEET. Okay, the address of Career Point includes Hazartabal NIT Main Road opposite NIT Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir 19006. Their contact number is 09070 111136 and the website is www.careerpoint.ac.in. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Nature Institute. Now, the address of Nature Institute includes House number 1, Abu Bakr Lane, Parepora, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir 19005. Their contact number includes 094195 and their website is www.natureinstitute.in. Alright, Mr. Shaukat Ali is the chair of the Nature Institute. This institute has nearly 5 years of experience in NEET training. The institute has been the trusted institute in Srinagar as it has highly experienced faculty members and staff members with the right education. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Srinagar. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.